Hello everyone. Today we're going to be checking out some awesome products from NomadiQ. Now these are going to be some accessories to go with the NomadiQ grill, help you out, have an awesome grilling experience. Let's go ahead and take a look at each one individually, shall we? We've taken the old protective sleeve out of the packaging there. I'm loving this green. This is nice. Of course, we got the zipper side. Let's go ahead and get this puppy on. Beautiful. Alrighty then. Look at this. So right here we have the NomadiQ backpack. Nicely packaged. Let's go ahead and open it up, shall we? Gots to tell you, first look at each one of these NomadiQ accessories. Quality, quality, quality. Next up, we've got the Griddle. This is going to be fun. Perhaps some perusing of the words here. And with that review airplane, let's go ahead and check out the Griddle for the NomadiQ. For such an occasion, I'm going to hand you over to our lead product tester, Jenny.
It's time to get cooking. So let me show you how easy it is to go ahead and change out these plates. So you simply have that little finger hole there, and there's those little metal clips down there. It just lifts right out. So take it out, put it back in, make sure to line up those clips at the bottom, and then it sets right in place. I did go ahead and wash this, but I am also going to let the grill heat up for a good 5 minutes on high, just to burn off any residual icky stuff it may have on it. The grill is nice and hot, so let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna throw a little butter on here. Today we are gonna be cooking some English muffins. Actually, some English muffin sandwiches. So we'll turn that down a little bit. So let's go ahead and get our eggs cooking. Couple pieces of Canadian bacon to go with our eggs. And of course we have some English muffins to toast up as well. This griddle's doing great with those eggs. They're going to be perfect for an English muffin breakfast sandwich. On the other side, we are toasting up our English muffins and making our Canadian bacon all nice and happy. Look at those grill marks. Yum. These guys are getting ready. Okay, these English muffin sandwiches literally took about 2 minutes to cook. I think we're ready for assembly. Here's that final product of our English muffin breakfast sandwiches, courtesy of the NomadiQ Griddle plate. So we've got our eggs, Canadian bacon, a little cheddar cheese on a toasted English muffin. As you can see, now that we have the eggs off of there, it is going to be a breeze to clean this up. Just go ahead and take that out, clean it up. It does also have a small little hole there. You see a little egg in there for that grease to drip down into those collection areas below. Our NomadiQ is all cleaned up and cooled off from our breakfast sandwiches. So now is time to go ahead and check out that brand new green neoprene cover. Let's go ahead and get it on there. This protection sleeve is amazing. It's like a little wetsuit for your grill. So of course it's specifically made for the NomadiQ grills, meaning that it has special spots for everything, even that ignition button. On the flip side of this pouch, you're gonna see that it has this thick elastic band, which is great for carrying your drip trays. Of course, your LP connection here fits snugly on there. Another drip tray. And of course, your carry strap still works with this. So now you can carry your stylish NomadiQ grill with a beautiful neoprene cover. Look at that cooler backpack. Let's take a little closer look at it. So if you notice, it does have a roll top, kind of like a dry bag. That's the feeling I get from it. It has dry bag vibes. Right there you have a bottle opener. I wish I had a bottle to open to demonstrate. However, you'll have to take my word for it that it has a bottle opener there. So you have your little clip. Look at the logo on the side. NomadiQ. Nice. So this is a 20 liter. It seems pretty large. It has a nice red trim on the top there and some padded straps. And of course, there's sweet NomadiQ patch logo there. I have loaded a few things in here just to show you the amazing capabilities of this bag. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. So that roll top, roll it over a few times. It does have that waterproof lining on the inside, and there are two separate compartments, as you can see, this divider here. In one side, I have that 1 pound LP, along with a pair of tongs and a spatula. I mean, we're talking big full size tongs and spatula. You can bring your tools with you. On the other side here, I have 2 large freezer packs and 2 pounds of burger. As you can see, like I said, this is a big area. You could really fit a lot more, like condiments, hot dogs. You could probably even pack your buns in here nicely, and some more tools. As you can see, I'm carrying the backpack. It's super easy to carry. The padded straps are a nice bonus, especially if you're gonna load this down with a lot of stuff. You have that ability with a 20 liter backpack. You can bring some beverages and some ice. Amazing. NomadiQ has really thought of everything. So we have our backpack cooler, bringing all of our supplies with us. We also have our neoprene cover, the carry strap, all of the things that you need for the grill on the backside. Quite convenient. I highly recommend checking out NomadiQ for yourself. Check those links in the description for all of the details and to pick up some of your own goodies. Thank you all so much for watching. We really appreciate it. And until we see you again, keep your nose clean. Bye.